Nekopara Vault. Gunpoint. Day of the Tentacle Remastered. Iron Snout. Epic Battle Fantasy 4. BattleBlock Theater. Plants vs. Zombies. GORN. Princess Remedy in a World of Hurt. The Game. To the Moon. Neighbors from Hell Compilation. Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. Rec Room. Broforce. Deep Space Waifu. BA11 Hall A, Cyberpunk Bartender Action. West of Loathing. Saints Row the Third. A Hat in Time. Borderlands 2. Orcs Must Die. Shovel Knight. Castle Crashers. South Park, The Stick of Truth. Hidden Folks. Portal. Portal 2. Keep talking and nobody explodes. The Orange Box.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.